resort here, Wintergreen. It's cold.
Alright, this is where we separate the professionals from the amateurs. The professionals. The amateurs. Let's see how this goes. Oh no. It's okay. There's no shame. I don't care. I don't even care. He's on his feet. She's on her feet too.
Yeah, I want to do an Italian.
The slopes here at Wintergreen actually better than I thought. Though, as people say, on the East Coast, it's definitely a lot of ice and slush. Man down, man down.
Look at you go, buddy.
Using a cell phone while skiing, Sarah?
I want to get Preston.
So since we didn't want to drive all the way back to Raleigh, being an almost 4-hour drive at the end of the day at Wintergreen, we needed to stay somewhere, and we found the perfect Airbnb property an hour south in Lynchburg. You know, the thing about Airbnb is if you just need a place that you can afford, that's simple, you can have that. If you want a place you can afford that's got a nice touch, like this place in Lynchburg, Virginia, and you'd pay the same price to stay at a hotel with 2 queen beds. In here we have 3 bedrooms, more than enough space, a full kitchen.
Nice run. It's the best ski day of Tara's life.